Hi everyone, I'm Taylor Hudak with Activism Munich and I'm outside the Old Bailey Courthouse in London. Today wraps up the fourth day of Julian Assange's extradition hearings. The court ended early today and is out for the rest of the week. One of the prosecuting attorneys has possibly been subjected to COVID-19 and that affected individual is expected to be tested for the virus and the results will come in within 1 day. The judge has chosen to adjourn court until Monday morning where a defense witness is expected to testify. I am now joined by journalist Mohammad Almazi. I want to get your perspective on some of the main points to take away from this week's court proceedings.
Well, there have been 4 witnesses, expert witnesses, who've testified thus far, all for the defense. They focused on the subject of the politically motivated nature of the prosecution, or what some of them have argued is the politically motivated nature of the prosecution. And others have focused on the threat to media freedom. There have been lots of strong points made by defense experts, particularly from Professor Trevor Timm from the Freedom of the Press Foundation, made it clear that in the United States, it is not whether or not a person is considered to be a journalist that matters, but whether their activity is considered to be journalistic activity.
So you would say that this was overall a pretty good week for the defense?
That's the impression that the defense lawyers have had, but that's also my impression as well. There are a number of issues which haven't been able to be addressed until now. For example, one more issue is the claim by the prosecution that they're mostly concerned or solely concerned with the release of classified documents that allegedly had the names or identities of U.S. government informants and sources in various countries, and the idea that they're solely concerned with the fact that these people's lives or safety was put at risk. And Professor Trevor Timm pointed out that in the United States, there is no law prohibiting people from publishing the identities of sources. So even if we accept that this is something that WikiLeaks did, and I know that there is a dispute about that, it is not in and of itself a criminal act, and that shouldn't take away from the journalistic nature of the activities that they engaged in.
Court resumes on Monday morning and we will be back here reporting to you with everything that you need to know, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like the work that we do, please donate to our organization. Reporting to you live in London, I'm Taylor Hudak with Activism Munich.